In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create estimates in QuickBooks Online. Estimates are a great way to outline prices and scope before you do the work, so your customer knows exactly what to expect. They don't affect your books yet, but they set you up to convert that approved estimate into an invoice later with just a click, saving time and keeping everything consistent. To get started, look to the top left of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the New button. This opens a list of common transactions. From here, choose Estimate. That tells QuickBooks you're preparing a quote rather than billing for completed work. Now you'll enter all the details of the estimate. First, select your customer. If the customer isn't in your list yet, you can add them on the spot so you don't lose momentum. Check the email and billing address fields for accuracy, since those will be used if you decide to email the estimate. Next, review the estimate date and if you use it, the expiration date. An expiration date helps set clear expectations about how long your pricing is valid. Move to the product or service lines and add the items you're quoting. For each line, fill in the quantity, rate, and any helpful description so the customer understands exactly what they're getting. If you charge tax, make sure the taxable box is selected and that the correct tax is applied. You can add multiple lines to break out labor, materials, or optional add-ons. If you offer a discount, add it as its own line, or use the discount field if available. Use the Message to Customer box for friendly notes, terms, or next steps, and the Memo field for internal details your team needs. If you have supporting documents, like a spec sheet or image, attach them so everything stays together. Before wrapping up, glance at the total and make sure it matches what you intend to propose. It's also a good idea to review the estimate number and format, especially if you follow a specific numbering scheme for tracking. When everything looks right, click Save. QuickBooks will store the estimate and, depending on your settings, may offer options to send it to your customer. You can send it right away or keep it saved to review later. Once your customer approves, you'll be ready to convert it into an invoice without re-entering any details, keeping your workflow smooth and accurate. That's all you need to create a clear, professional estimate in QuickBooks Online.